Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your print job sample and how to actually select the printer for the printing process. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program. Now, in order for us to look at the next feature from printing, we will need to open a file. So I'm just going to go open file, select the project we've been working on previously, just as a sample, and then load it here. Then I'm just going to quickly just set up over here after I've clicked on the print icon like we did before. I'm just going to put in a few things. So customer am.co.za, and then we call this sample report. So now next time that should not be a problem. Now once we're in here, like I said, we've looked at the sample, we've looked at the actual export. Now we're going to be looking at the print report. So when you're finally done setting up, it's still some few things you'll set up before you actually come to this one. But before you, when you're finally ready to print, then what will happen is you'll come to this one, click print report, and then it will pop you up with this dialog box over here. So now we've got a few different things to look at here. Some of it you can probably just leave at default depending on what you're going for, but it is good to know kind of what the different options are here, just so that if you need to set them, you at least know what they do. So now, first thing on our list here, we've got this select printer. Now, this will be an area where obviously you'll be selecting the type of printing you want to do. Now, this will vary from whether you want to print it to a file or to a fax or anything on that line. You'll be doing it over here. There is also a way, if you do not find your printer here, how we can set that up, but we'll look at that in another video. So now by default, we have a few. I don't have currently a printer set up over here. But from the list here, I've got a fax, and then we've got Microsoft Print to PDF, which in many ways is very similar to what we've done, how can I say, in our export mini series we did, where we could there also print it to PDF. So this is another way you can do it. Then we've got the Microsoft XPS document writer, and then we've got the OneNote desktop. But yeah, otherwise that is it, selecting a printer. So like I said, this is where you'll select your printer. So if you try print and something doesn't come out right, or your printer doesn't respond, it's possible that you perhaps have the wrong thing selected here. So make sure you come select your printer from this list, and then you try again. But yeah, otherwise that is it on selecting a printer. Like I said, we can go into more depth, but we'll save that for a future video. Otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.